Okay, so now we've done declensions 1 through 5, but I want to just focus a little bit on the neuters here, because these are pretty important and they kind of hang people up sometimes, and the AP likes to focus on them at times because they can kind of screw people up. So you got your second declension. I'm going to rewrite it once here. We have something like amicus, right? Amici, which is masculine, friend. And notice that's masculine, okay? So, you know, we got amicus, but plural amici. We got genitive amici, plural amicorum. Got to the friend, amico. To the friends, amicis. If you receive it, amicum. Plural receivers, amigos. Kind of like where amigos comes from, right? And in Spanish, and then ablative, amico, and amicis. Okay? So that's just a typical masculine second declension. And by the way, most second declensions are masculine, and most first declensions, with a few exceptions, are feminine. This is helpful to know. But there are some of the second declensions that are neuter, and they behave kind of special. So let's take a neuter. The word donum, gift, is a neuter, and it's donum, doni. Now remember, I said look at the genitive to figure out what declension it is, and it does have the I. The genitive will never lie to you. The I tells you it's second declension, right? But notice this nominative. It's not donus, right? Not like amicus. What's the deal here? It's donum. That looks like an accusative if you ask me, right? Well, it's not. It's a nominative. It is an accusative too, but it's also a nominative. So this word is a neuter, and it's gift. And most, if not all, neuters in the second declension end in okay, in their nominative. And this is something kind of neat about neuters, is the neuter form of the nominative and the accusative are always the same. So you could probably figure donum and the accusative is donum, but the nominative is also donum, okay? It's not donus. And why this is, I don't know. This is just how it is, and it's a good thing to know. So the nominative form is, if you have a gift, the gift is sitting there on the table, donum, donum in mensa est. The gift is on the table. What if plural gifts are on the table? Now here's where neuters get kind of funky. You don't say doni, okay? Not like amici. This is where it's different. You say unum donum est in mensa, say multa dona. Dona. Okay, now what's up with that? What's up with dona? That looks like a first declension, doesn't it? Well, it's not. This, when it's a neuter, a means plural in the nominative. Okay? Now in the accusative, these forms are exactly the same. Donum and dona. Okay? So maybe Caecilius loves the gifts. Caecilius amat unum donum, one gift, multa dona. The forms are the same. So that's helpful to know that neuters are always the same in the nominative and the accusative. That's supposed to be a little arrow there kind of showing you that these forms are the same. Okay? Now in all the other forms, it just follows second declension. Okay? So just like amici, it's just doni. Okay? Amicorum, it's donorum. Not sure when you use that. Okay. Dative, if you do something to a gift, I guess, dono, and donis, and dono, just like amico over here, and donis. There's dative and ablative plural is always the same. So in the other forms, they're exactly the same. No difference. Okay. Order.